In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Asana with Microsoft Teams. By the end, you'll have a smooth connection between the two tools, so tasks and conversations work together without extra copy and paste. Start by logging into your Asana account in your browser. Make sure you're in the correct workspace or organization if you use more than one, since the integration will apply to where you're currently working. With that open, create a new browser tab and head to asana.com/apps. This is Asana's official app directory, where you can safely find and enable integrations. On the apps page, you can scroll through the options, but the fastest route is the search bar. Click the search box, type Microsoft Teams, and then select the Microsoft Teams integration from the results. This will take you to the integrations details page, where you can review what the app does and what to expect once it's connected. Next, click Install Asana for Teams. This begins the setup process and prepares Asana to talk to your Microsoft environment. On the following screen, choose Connect to Microsoft Teams. That button hands things over to Microsoft so you can grant the right permissions. A new window will open. If your browser blocks pop-ups, temporarily allow them so the window can appear. In that window, you'll be prompted to review permissions. These typically allow the app to post messages, read basic information needed to link tasks, and connect to your team's workspace. Click Accept or Allow to continue. Be sure you're signed into the correct Microsoft account before you approve, especially if you use multiple work profiles. Now wait a moment while the connection is established. You may see a brief loading indicator. Don't close the window while it's working. If it seems to hang, a quick refresh of the Asana tab can help, but give it a little time first. Once the process completes, you'll see confirmation that Asana is now integrated with Microsoft Teams. From here, you can start taking advantage of the integration, like creating Asana tasks directly from Teams conversations and receiving updates in your channels, without any extra setup steps in this walkthrough. If you run into issues, double check that you're signed into both Asana and Microsoft with the right accounts. Make sure pop-up blockers are off for this site, and confirm you have permission to add apps in your organization. That's it. You've successfully connected Asana with Microsoft Teams. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a smoother workflow across both platforms.